Construction workers have one of the most physically demanding jobs, requiring extreme strength. But are they really that strong?
Would you say soft hands?
So I gathered world-class bodybuilders to put these construction workers' strength to the test. To find out who is stronger. First event, 1 rep max on the bench press. Brian, we'll let you little ladies pick first. Who you sending out?
My name's Brian, and I do construction. Then we got Walker. Let's go.
Okay, Walker, we'll go plate for plate. Who's got a good bench?
I'm my guy right here.
Wes, let's go, baby, let's go! Let's go! He's the biggest one here. You guys want to go first?
Can we like warm up?
Yeah, warm up. I know, you guys, you construction workers. Yeah.
You're making us look bad, Walker.
Oh, that doesn't look too good. Well, I could already see his chest fibers going. This is insane.
I smell estrogen out here.
You smell estrogen? I bet you have soft hands. Come on now. Oh, he's shaking. Everybody's shaking.
Oh.
This is the first time you ever bench pressed?
Don't wear yourself out, little boy.
Up. One more.
Struggling.
Easy.
Struggling.
Oh, that's hilarious. We have a secret weapon, actually. Hey, we threw them off. You're good. This is a plan.
This is Chase, a 280-pound world-class bodybuilder who came ready for action.
This guy's screwed. Okay. Secret weapon. Light work. Light work.
Come on. Sheesh.
Light work. Light work. Up. Oh.
They are stressing.
I'm kind of stressing right now.
Walker smelled blood in the water and went straight for the kill.
Come on. Push.
Okay, that was a bit fast. How much do you actually bench?
More than him.
Are you a powerlifter secretly?
I don't know.
Construction, yeah, sure. Construction, yeah, sure. Okay, you want to go for it?
Actually, I'm gonna concede right here. I know my limits. I got
You're gonna just whimper like that?
I got a show in 9 weeks. I got to be conservative.
No!
Give it the Walker. You beat me. It's fine.
Oh, they're gonna get the W on this, but definitely not the next one. Up next, Maz Wrestling. You basically are both deadlifting the same bar, and whoever lets go first loses. Oh God.
Come on.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
No!
I almost got teabagged.
Since we are the leaders of each team, we agreed to make my match against Brian a best 2 out of 3.
Okay, hold on. Wait a second.
You're cramping?
Yeah, I got a cramp.
Oh, funny now. You have too much beer.
Go.
Get back! Get on your knees! Sorry.
The beef is real now,
The beef is freaking real. Hey, you want some of this?
Now try it.
Come on.
They call me the Grip Reaper.
Okay, are you guys good?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
I hate this game! It's just a
Blue collar guy.
He was tugging!
Come in first.
All right, whatever. We'll take the first loss.
In order for us to win this challenge, we needed to win the next 2 matches.
Trey versus Mark! Come on, Trey!
Come on, Mark.
All right, it's on.
Mark, don't let us down.
Come on, Mark! Oh! Money!
As crazy as that was, what's also crazy is the new Gymshark clothes.
Yeah! 1-1! All right, we got Jimmy versus West. Round 3. 2, 1, go! Go!
Come on.
Gymshark is dropping some of the nicest gym apparel in the game right now. They just dropped the American Muscle tee and it's going to sell out.
Grab it!
So make sure you go to gymshark.com and use code Jesse, Jesse, at checkout for 10% off.
You did it! All right, we're even right now. Official event score, 1-1. Next up, we've got a construction-themed relay race. Now, bodybuilders, we're pretty good at everything, so there's no doubt in my mind that we're gonna hit this one off and crush it. We have a relay race. We have the plier heavy bucket challenge, then we have the saw challenge, then we have the sledgehammer challenge, and we finish off with the wheelbarrow challenge. First team to complete from start to finish wins. Are you boys ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go boys, go! Come on, bro, go, come on! You got this, go! Go!
Run when you hear that. Run when you hear that.
Go. Salt technique.
The salt, roll on.
Run when you hear that. Run when you hear that.
Oh, we want you to salt?
Even though Brandon on Team Bodybuilders started after Gavin, he still somehow took the lead.
Come on, Brandon!
But things changed quickly.
Nobody uses these anymore. This is not working. I'm gonna jump on it.
Hold on, I can break with my foot.
Okay, hurry up. Oh. No! Are you kidding? One hit? Hook smash! Yo, one hit! One hit, come on! We're almost there, we can win this!
Let's go!
Just keep going, we have to finish! What the No! Hold on, it was facing the wrong way!
You're supposed to push, not
We're
pull.
gonna get it! We're so close! She's right there! Woo! A close second.
That's embarrassing.
So, yeah, we lost.
That's what, 2? 2 out of 3?
It's fine. The next competition, I think, is in our favor.
Don't make me take my shirt off, babe.
Up next, we've got arm wrestling. May the better arm win. Okay. It's gonna be 3, 2, 1, go, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Brandon! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him!
Pull!
Hit him! Hit him! Done! Done! Winner! Let's go, Team Bodybuilders! Woo! Dude, I can't believe we just kicked your guys' asses. Oh! Kill you! Those other ones didn't count. Okay, we are officially tied 2-2 in the events. Let's keep going. The next event is a dump truck push. Not those dump trucks. This thing weighs over 15 tons. It's gonna be team versus team. Whoever can get to the finish line the fastest wins this round. Boys,
Let's do it.
you ready? Should we like rock, paper, who's gonna go?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's right, baby.
At least he finally won something.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. We're going first, okay? Let's set the tone. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, push! Push, come on! Come on, drive! Chop your feet! Chop your feet! Chop your feet! Let's go!
There you go, push.
Oh, we're moving! We're moving! Come on! Come on! Push! Burn it! Burn it! We gotta get all the way to the cone. Keep going! We're not there yet! All the way! We're almost there! Done! Stop! Let's go! Right there, that's what's up. Don't tell them our time. We got 36 seconds, so that's good. You guys gotta beat 40. 40 seconds. Just 40. Good luck.
40 seconds?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. You got it. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
I do gotta win.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's slow.
As a construction worker started off much slower than
boys,
us,
we got this.
I realized that all
got
of the
this.
squats in the gym
We got this.
finally paid off.
Dude, look at them struggle. I'm not gonna lie, they are pushing it a little fast.
Let's go.
Yo, what the heck? Wait, what's happening right now? Oh my God, bro, we're screwed. We're screwed. You're kidding me. 27. Yo, 27. Yo, you guys got 45 seconds. You suck.
Ain't no way.
27 seconds. That is very impressive.
That's longer than normal for me.
The next round is worth 2 points.
Oh, shit.
So if we beat you, we win.
He's confident.
Hey, good job so far, but you guys look a little tired.
We're not bodybuilders. We're fat.
For the final event, we will be going plate for plate on the deadlift. This final event is going to be worth 2 points. The final event, we're sending out Trey, baby! Let's go!
Let's get it.
Let's go! And number 1 rule, no sumo. We're starting off with Trey, but we'll be sending in Chase to finish him off. That sounds horribly wrong. To finish the job off. Hey! 1 plate, easy.
So I'm sending up Jonathan, one of our biggest.
Oh my gosh. You got some short legs. There we go, Trey. That's what's up. You guys are real quiet over there. Let's go, Trey. Easy. Easy money.
I saw a little form break.
Look at the traps on this guy.
Look at the dump truck.
Uh-oh. Come on, man. Oh, wait, no, you're on the wrong team. Woo! Nah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, easy. Oh, easy. Look at that back, dude. Already using freaking straps in the belt.
You're right.
Did you have work today?
I've been up since 4:30 this morning.
Sure.
What time did you wake up, Trey?
I never sleep, bro. I'm always
That's right. That's right. Oh, he's going. That looked heavy.
This is not just show muscle. This is go muscle.
That's right. That's my friend. Let's go. Oh. That was easy. Oh, he's put a shrug to it. Let's go, Trey. Come on. Come on, Trey. Get that. Easy.
Come on.
Smoke show, goddammit.
Bro, just walks away in silence. 6 plates.
Don't let us down.
Oh, that was a dangerous deadlift. Holy crap. Secret weapon. Let's go.
Time to shine.
Get in there, all right? I don't know if you guys noticed, but he was going to be the guy.
The guy that lost on bench?
Oh.
The guy that lost on bench, but won on deadlifts. Let's go, bro.
Funny. Like 4 reps, whatever.
Let's go.
I haven't used the bathroom in like 4 hours. Come on now. It all happens.
That asshole was talking shit. That was awesome.
Oh my God.
I will say it sounded tight. It sounded
Sorry.
Let's see it, bro. Come on.
cool. Come on. Come on.
You got this, bro. Listen, we need this W, bro.
Need it.
We're trying to lose to them laughing at us.
No, absolutely not. Team effort.
Team, baby, team.
The plug is gone. All mud after this. It's all mud.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
Come on. Get
Come
up.
on.
Get up. Up. Holy crap. Yeah, put it down. Boom. 655 pounds on the bar. Come on.
Let's go. Cool.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Final rep. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my God.
Mr. Flatulence in the
I
house.
wanted to, but I started shitting myself.
Bro. Bodybuilder. We should have. We do not have any more weight to put on the bar, so we're gonna do one last final tiebreaker. All right, big cheese and big sneeze, come on. All right, clearly we have insane deadlifters in the house, construction workers, bodybuilders, both the same strength. We literally don't have any more weight here, so we're gonna settle it with a tiebreaker, whoever can bend the heaviest and strongest bar, okay?
Okay.
60 kgs. You wanna let him go first? Can try to do that. You'll feel it. Oh, easy money.
That's not terribly hard, but
Okay.
it's gonna get harder.
60.
It's gonna get harder.
Okay, just wait for that.
Oh, we just stand up.
Easy.
Maybe look quick out here.
80 kgs.
80 kgs.
You got this. Come on, bro. Do it for team bodybuilders.
Okay, word. I can do something.
Okay. I don't want to hit in the head. 100 kilograms.
100 kilograms.
This is the golden bar. Whoever bends the golden bar wins it for their team. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it.
Shit.
Come on, bro.
You got this shit.
Let's see. Come on.
That
Give
is
it a
hard
sec,
then.
give it a sec.
It's strong.
Thumb it, baby. Thumb it.
Come on. Do it for the kids. Oh my. You win. You win. Construction workers win. Wow. Because the bar bent the most, and when we got here, he bent the bar completely. Oh my God. The winner of this competition is construction workers. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, but most importantly,
Stay relentless.
peace.
They said I was too confident, but was I?